Hi, I'm Marna, and today is the 16th, and each month Dory from Dory's Dollies and I host a challenge that we offer to everyone, anyone, to dress their dolls, kind of Dolls Gone Goth. It's called Dolls Gone Goth, but it does not have to be complete goth. We are not the goth police. We do not mind. Today's challenge was gray flowers or grayscale flowers. And I made Trouble, my brand new smart doll, a skirt. I hurt my back. You're going to have to give it a little leeway. But I made her this gray flower skirt and I put a little lace on it. Not very gothy, but it matched her top, I thought. This is those little tops I talk about. They're just breezy and light. I really like them. And she has on her, we're going to call it eyeball necklace today. Can you get a close-up of that? And thank you, Dory, so much. These are always so fun. And it's so fun to see your Dolls Gone Goth each month. And if you have a video today, please let us know. When I say us, I mean Dory and I both, in our comments that you have a Dolls Gone Goth video so that we see each and every one. We really enjoy seeing your videos, and thank you for watching our channels. Please go by for sure and see Dory's and anybody that leaves the comments that you know has a Dolls Gone Goth video today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.